should be late with a
Alright, what's up YouTube? So I just got off of work and my door won't open. So I pull it and it's unlocked, like electronics work, but it won't open. So I'm gonna show y'all how to fix that. So what you gotta do is take the door panel off. There's this, you gotta pop this out. There's a screw in here, there's a screw here, and then this screw right here you gotta take off. Once you do that, you just lift the door panel up over this, because you know this thing it's a long line that goes all the way down. So you gotta lift the door panel up above it and then take the door panel off, and there's a screw on the inside and you gotta turn the screw. Now you just need a screwdriver, that's all you need. So you pop this off. Maybe I didn't. Okay. I don't know. We're gonna check it. But then I said there's one here that you pop off this panel first. Go. Panel off. Get this screw. Grab the new bit. Unscrew this. Keep all your pieces intact. That clip off too, and behind that, there's a screw there. Turn this. It looked like somebody stripped this a little bit. It's a little rough to come out. I don't know if this is like they did this right. That's a long ass screw. I'm tired already. There we go. There's that one. And then one more screw right here. Alright. I've seen them do it. They like kind of tugged it. I don't know. There we go. Sound like breaking. Alright. Right here, a little thing, you just pop it open, pull it down, and the window has to be up, or else the glass will be right here. So if you get in here, so behind this door, that's the cable, door handle cable. Right there, there's a T20 screw. Alright, so yep, this is the screw right here. He said, and it's T20, that's the bit, T20. Just turn it a half a turn back to make it tight, not too tight, but just tight. And I hear it, I can hear it. Alright, so I'm gonna put it back on and we're gonna see. We're gonna see. Alright, put it back on. Just go here. And you gotta get it over the lock mechanism. Like that. Alright, so I was having trouble with the weather strip right here. So it comes attached to the door. If you take it off, you take these clips off, then you can put the clips on the weather strip, and then when you push the door on, they'll just push back in here. And the way you do that, I use this, and I pushed it back under there, and I smashed the clip. So like, this is what the clip looks like. So what you want to do is smash this end right here, so it'll slip out of this. So it'll slip out of there. And then I'll try to see if I can film. Nah, I won't be able to because I got... One by one, you just put them all back in. This clip right here. I'm not gonna lie, I think this one on mine is broken. I think I broke this one. Oh, no I didn't, never mind. Don't panic though. I think all of these clips are replaceable. Yep, like that. And yeah, I think this one might be toast. I don't know. Fuck it over. But then this one over here. Done. Easy fix. 30 minutes. And I never done it before. I just watched the video, followed the steps on the video, and then did it. There we go. Thanks for watching.
DJ they call that boy Hitman. Bitch, the pick me running up, hitting his target. He getting up close. Turn that boy to a ghost. He should be labeled a